how you implement it is more important than actually having it there. Because if you try to introduce and dump on a project or a type of technology into a community, okay, well, how are we going to maintain it? Like, how is it going to be sustainable? How are we going to maintain it without your help? Consulting, you shouldn't think of it as the Western version of it, of the colonial version of it, of like, okay, well, we just need to talk things out. We just need to iron out this contract or iron out this, like, these details. It's important to us to have a healthy relationship. And it goes far between the role you have within your organization. We're a lot more personal than that. And so we want to be able to trust that what you're bringing in has good energy and will benefit our people in a positive and beneficial way. And so I want to work on ways of reducing the factors that really tear apart a good project, and try to implement it in an environment that is welcoming and that you're a part of that environment.